After facing widespread criticism and reliability concerns with the 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra, the automaker is making a determined comeback for 2026. While the upcoming model doesn't mark a full redesign, Toyota has poured significant engineering effort into what experts call one of the most important mid-cycle refreshes in the Tundra's history. The focus is clear: address the mechanical issues that damaged the truck's once ironclad reputation for dependability. Background: the fall of a reliable giant. The Tundra name has long been synonymous with durability. Toyota's full-size pickup earned a loyal following thanks to its legendary 5.7-liter V8 engine, which was nearly bulletproof in the second-generation Tundra 2007-2021. However, when the third generation debuted in 2022 with a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine, the transition wasn't as smooth as Toyota expected. The 2022 Tundra represented Toyota's bold step toward efficiency and modern performance, introducing turbocharging, advanced electronics, and a hybrid option for the first time in the lineup. Unfortunately, the first few model years revealed cracks in Toyota's once flawless reliability record. Owners reported several key issues that ultimately led to class action lawsuits, recalls, and significant brand image damage. Engine failures. Some engines suffered catastrophic failure due to machining debris left inside during production. This contamination led to knocking, oil starvation, and in some cases, complete engine seizure. Fuel line problems. Over 168,000 units were recalled due to fuel line chafing that posed a potential fire risk. The problem stemmed from routing flaws that allowed lines to rub against other engine components. Interior and infotainment issues. Many 2023 owners complained about rattling trim, loose center consoles, and a glitchy infotainment system that would randomly freeze or reboot. Experts like CarBuzz and Motor Trend noted that the third-gen Tundra's problems were uncharacteristic for Toyota. Toyota built its reputation on reliability, not recall lists, one CarBuzz analyst said. The 2022 Tundra was a wake-up call. 2026 Toyota Tundra, a major reliability overhaul. For 2026, Toyota has shifted its focus back to fundamentals: build quality, powertrain integrity, and component longevity. While the styling changes are minimal, the mechanical upgrades are extensive. Engineers targeted every known pain point, from the turbo system to the fuel delivery hardware, ensuring that the new Tundra can stand toe-to-toe with Ford, Ram, and Chevy, not just in power, but in trustworthiness. Engine enhancements. A fresh start for the 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6. The most substantial improvement comes under the hood. Toyota has re-engineered the 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6, the same engine that caused the most trouble in early production years. The 2026 version is not a mere revision, it's effectively a new engine designed for longevity. New cylinder heads and turbo components. Engineers used higher-grade alloys to reduce heat fatigue and prevent cracking under prolonged stress. Turbo housings now use reinforced materials to withstand extreme temperatures and boost pressures. Improved machining process. To eliminate debris-related failures, Toyota redesigned its machining and assembly process. Every engine undergoes a full ultrasonic cleaning and precision inspection before final assembly. Refined engine software. The 2026 Tundra features new ECU mapping for smoother throttle response, better cold starts, and improved fuel economy. The software now actively balances boost pressure and ignition timing to reduce wear. Extended durability testing. Each engine must pass an extended dyno durability test before leaving the factory, a direct response to earlier quality control lapses. Toyota now subjects engines to hundreds of simulated driving hours to detect potential weak points. Automotive engineer Mark Klein, who has tested multiple full-size pickups, commented, "Toyota's new validation process mirrors what heavy-duty diesel manufacturers do. They're not taking chances this time. The durability testing alone is a strong indicator that the company learned from its past mistakes." Upgraded fuel system. Fuel system issues were among the biggest headaches for 2022-2024 owners. For 2026, Toyota introduced new high-pressure fuel pumps, built to resist ethanol corrosion and maintain consistent pressure under load. reinforced fuel lines and routing. The lines are now made from a tougher composite with added heat shielding and a rerouted design to eliminate chafing risks. Precision fuel injectors. These ensure a more consistent air-fuel mixture, reducing knocking and improving combustion efficiency. Experts say this should resolve the fire risk recall concerns and make the fuel system more durable for off-road and towing conditions. Hardware and feature upgrades beyond the engine. While the powertrain is the heart of Toyota's reliability fixes, the 2026 Tundra also brings several thoughtful upgrades across its hardware and feature set, many directly inspired by owner feedback. Standard larger fuel tank. All 2026 Tundra trims now come standard with a 32.2-gallon fuel tank, addressing one of the biggest complaints from owners of earlier models. Some trims previously had smaller tanks that limited range, an odd choice for a full-size truck meant for long hauls and heavy towing. Improved towing technology. Towing confidence is essential for Tundra buyers. Toyota made the tow hitch and connector standard across all trims, while introducing a new tow tech package with a wireless trailer camera system for better visibility when reversing or changing lanes. Safety and driver assistance. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite remains standard on all models, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and automatic emergency braking. The software has been slightly refined for smoother intervention and fewer false alerts, based on user feedback from 2023-2024 models. Interior refinements. While Toyota hasn't fully redesigned the cabin, it is focused on tightening assembly tolerances to eliminate rattles and loose trim. The infotainment system now runs on an updated processor, providing faster responses and fewer software glitches. Automotive journalist Dan Edmonds remarked, "Toyota didn't just tweak features, they clearly studied owner complaints line by line." The 2026 Tundra feels like a matured product rather than a rushed redesign. Expert analysis. Will these fixes restore Toyota's reputation? The biggest question surrounding the 2026 Tundra isn't about horsepower or towing, it's about trust. Can Toyota truly reclaim its reputation for bulletproof reliability after such a shaky start? 1. Engine longevity and testing. Toyota's rigorous new testing protocols are a strong step in the right direction. By inspecting every engine on a dynamometer before it ships, the company has nearly eliminated the risk of machining debris or assembly flaws slipping through. Experts also note that turbocharged engines naturally face more stress than naturally aspirated ones. However, Toyota's improved cooling, lubrication, and turbo materials could make the 2026 V6 as dependable as the old V8 over time. 2. The V8 question. Many fans are still nostalgic for the old 5.7-liter I-Force V8, which was renowned for lasting 300,000-plus miles with minimal issues. Toyota made a conscious decision not to bring it back, citing emissions and efficiency reasons. Instead, it's doubling down on the updated twin-turbo V6 and hybrid I-Force Max variants. Truck expert Aaron Bragman from Cars.com stated, "Toyota is betting its future on advanced turbo V6 powertrains. If they've solved the early reliability gremlins, this could mark the turning point where Toyota fully transitions into modern power without sacrificing dependability." 3. Software and electronics. The updated infotainment and driver assistance systems are smoother and less intrusive, but some long-term testers remain cautious. Electronics have been one of Toyota's few weak spots recently, and experts will be watching closely to see if the 2026 systems maintain stability over years of use. 4. Interior and build quality. The cabin improvements show progress, though it's too early to say if Toyota has fully addressed the complaints about cheap-feeling plastics and loose trim. The 2026 Tundra does feel more solidly built, suggesting Toyota took assembly quality more seriously this time. Looking forward, what buyers should expect from an ownership perspective, the 2026 Toyota Tundra looks to be the most thoroughly tested and refined version of the third generation yet. The engine redesign, improved fuel system, and new quality assurance protocols directly address the major pain points that haunted earlier models. That said, experts caution that true reliability can only be proven over time. It will take several years of real-world driving to confirm whether the 2026 fixes truly hold up to Toyota's legendary standards. Still, The early signs are promising. The company's proactive transparency, rigorous engineering revisions, and stronger testing approach all point toward a manufacturer that learned from its missteps. As automotive reviewer Jason Camisa summarized, Toyota finally did what everyone wanted. They listened. The 2026 Tundra might just be the comeback story of the decade for full-size trucks. Conclusion: Toyota's redemption arc. The 2026 Toyota Tundra represents more than a mid-cycle update. It's Toyota's redemption project. With a completely re-engineered 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6, fortified fuel system, and tighter quality control, the brand is working hard to restore faith among its most loyal buyers. While skeptics may still pine for the simplicity of the old V8 era, Toyota's renewed commitment to durability and modern performance may finally bridge the gap between innovation and reliability. If these fixes prove effective, the 2026 Tundra could mark the moment Toyota fully regains its crown as the most dependable full-size truck on the market. A title that once seemed unquestionable, and now, thanks to engineering humility and determination, might be within reach again.